Hi guys, I've still got people that are battling to find their recordings of the various Collaborate sessions. This is a quick video just to show you how to do it, or remind you how to do it. Log into VC Learn, choose your module. I'm choosing Beamer 132. On the left hand side, go down and click on Blackboard Collaborate. Let it load. You now want to look at the recording, so you go to the top here where these three stripes are on the black border. Click on the menu, click on recordings, and you'll see that it's only showing the last two recordings, the ones that we did in May. You obviously want to be able to see the ones that we've been doing right from the beginning. So what we do, where it says recent recordings here at the top, we're going to click and we're going to choose recordings in a range. And this is where we are now going to have to say, right, we're going to look at recordings all the way. I'm just going to go back for the hell of it to the 1st of February, to today, and all these recordings come up, all the ones that we've done. You'll see from chapter 11 all the way to 15 with our help, and then here there's also the recording that we made as an answer to that transformation model that you found in revision. Okay. So it's as easy as that. Please make use of these recordings to remind yourself what's going on in the chapters.